if y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Dave. Welcome to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man. Today we finna cut up in a thing. So make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. Right now we in East Chicago right now. It's like on the border. It ain't Chicago, bro. It's like Indiana. It's like on the border of Hammond and shit. If you don't know, you don't know. But if you know, you know, shorty. We out here right now. We finna bend a couple corners, cause we ain't finna be in the city right now, man. If you watched 2 videos ago, they was on my ass in the city, man. So we ain't gonna be going to the city for a little minute. They been on me. But we back, man. We back with another one. Just make sure that y'all just enjoy the video. Go right there and follow my Instagram. We go keep going up, man. We finna cut up in the snow. We just go do something little light. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna give y'all like a 10-minute, 15-minute video of me cutting up. Yeah, man. We in this man's parking lot. It was an officer around the corner, but I waited like 15 minutes, so I don't know what he on, but he ain't on nothing with me. He ain't on nothing with your boy.
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
I already got it ready, man. We don't do no traction. F that traction. We don't need it.
Stop the cap.
Let me get right. Hold up, man. Let me put the Pipiana up. Let me put it up so it ain't moving around. If y'all do POV videos, man, make sure that your air down, bro, because that could mess up the whole POV joint.
We don't care.
I just wanted to come over here and practice, really. Nothing too crazy. I really need somebody to record for me, but I need to counter steer. Really just trying to practice on my counter steering, cause I know a lot of my homies, man, they pros. Hold up. Put some light in here. Let's put some light in here, shorty. Figure 8. Ooh, hey, I'm low-key getting better. Ooh, I'm low-key getting better. I love the snow, bro. The snow just make it even more funner. But yeah, though, I was just practicing, man. Nothing too crazy. That was in automatic too, so a lot of people say that it's hard up in automatic because your car want to grip. But it is what it is, man. I'm already knowing. It's already snowing outside, so I really didn't even have to put it up in 2nd gear or 1st gear. Sometimes you don't got to do all that. Hold up, y'all. My girl calling me. God damn.
A few moments later.
Ah, dog. I'm sorry, y'all, but plans has changed because if y'all don't know, I got to drop my freaking car off to get these headlights put on tomorrow morning. Oh, is that an officer behind me? No, it doesn't look like a little Impala or something. But I got to drop them headlights off, bro. So I got to go to Valparaiso. That's why I'm out here right now. Cause I was waiting on my girl to get ready so she could meet me at this place in Valparaiso. But Valparaiso from here is like 45 minutes, bro. So I got to drive. But I'm going to give y'all still a little video. Little Viet. Just wanted to give y'all a little update, man. Y'all be loving the POV videos, but I just been slowing down on them, man. I just been trying to drop like actual real content. Get out the way, HELLCAT coming through. This joint winds so crazy too. Y'all hear that? This joint winds so crazy. Whoever invented leg makers need a pat on their back. I ain't gonna lie to you. I heart my city. But yeah, though, let me know if y'all want me, cause I was trying to get a couple people together. Well, I only hit one of my homies, but he ain't never respond, so fuck him. Fuck him. Cause I was finna get him outside to make a quick little video with me, but cause I just shot a couple reels. Hold up. I just shot, well, no, one reel. I just shot. But I'm finna drop this off because dude doing the work in the morning. But I'm dropping off my car today. It's not gonna be there, so don't go over there, shorty. I ain't uploading this video until my car is not there. But I'm dropping this joint off. I'm leaving it. And I'm picking it up tomorrow. So y'all go love my car, bro. The next video that y'all see, y'all go see my car. Y'all gonna be like, man, because I'm getting the little RGB lights. I'm replacing the front white lights with RGB lights. How my little RGB badge is. Man, it's gonna be crazy. And y'all, my RGB badge is different, man. It's not just red. I just always keep it on red because it just go together. My seat's red, the SRT joint red. I just be keeping my brake calipers red, so I just be keeping it red. It just go with the flow, brody. I could change it like whatever color I want to. I could change it red, green, blue. I could make it like alternate. I could make it like do the little flow. It's not the regular joint, so don't think it's just the regular joint, y'all. It ain't. Your boyfriend got the regular joint. I don't got the regular joint, shorty.
Bruh, chill.
When I come to that side, boy, I'ma hit you. This a Charger. This ain't no Jeep ski, man. I can't do nothing in this freaking brother. They trying to come on the side of me, man. I hate cars that be doing that, bro. Just go past if you go past, shorty. Yeah. Oh. This joint is bad, bro. But yeah, man, I was finna cut up, bro, but I gotta head to this because, man, my girl, she be tripping, man. Don't tell her I said it, but she be tripping, bro. Like, if I show up there late, it's gonna be over, bro. So I just gotta talk to y'all now, man. I was finna cut up for y'all, but this is gonna be a little POV in the snow. POV in the snow. I'm gonna do a little something for y'all, but nothing too crazy. Gotta get to my destination, my boy. Gotta get to my destination, my boy. Oh my, y'all probably can't even notice it, but Brody, I'm gonna have to get some snow tires. Nah, that's crazy though, cause every car that I ever had, I never put no snow tires on my car. Like, to me, that's doing too much, man. Cause I know on the back, I got Mickey's on the back of these joints, man. I don't care. I got, I forgot what they called. They not the street R's. I got the street comps on the back of my car. So, they doing decent enough, man. They doing decent enough. As long as I could do a little something in it, and it ain't go do a little donut, shorty, I'm good, brody. I ain't gonna lie to you. Them sad ass Instagram reel sounds, they be stuck in my head. Just riding through random neighborhoods. Hey, let me know where y'all want me to go, bro. I ain't going on no block and no gates, bro. Y'all be tripping. I don't know. Y'all just be fried. Y'all think that I'm finna go in a block with, like, through the gates and all? Y'all tripping. Well, I ain't even gotta say the name. Y'all know the name, man. I ain't doing all of that. Yo, you crazy, shorty? Y'all ever heard of, if you ain't from there, don't go there? Oh, bro, I ain't finna lock myself in like that. Not none with no gates, man. I might drive through a hood, but I ain't going in the... Y'all tripping. They go ambush a motherfucker in a motherfucker like this. I'm gonna have to catch a couple bodies. Don't even know if I'm gonna make it out, folks, but I'm gonna take a couple motherfuckers with me. Guaranteed. Downshift. let me know if y'all want more like lifestyle. Yeah. But I don't be really doing nothing but working and all that. But just let me know like if y'all want more lifestyle type of videos. Like if y'all want like my whole day bunched up instead of just like one topic. Cause I know really I just be doing one topic, bro. I don't be really caring. But that's more so just cause I don't be liking a lot of people that I don't really know. But look, man, I rock with y'all shorties, but I don't really know y'all shorties. Like, I don't really know y'all. Just like how y'all don't know me, man. Y'all think y'all know me, y'all don't know me, brother. Y'all don't know me.
We don't care.
Let me tell you. We don't care.
Yeah, man, just let me know if y'all want more crap like that. Cause really, I just be doing one topics. Cause like that video, when I pick up my car, when they get them freaking headlights and all that, that video go be decent. So then I'm thinking about wrapping my car. Not actually wrapping it, but the video gonna be called I'll wrap my car and I'll do some stuff to my car. So that's gonna most likely be coming up too. But like nowadays, bro, you gotta spend money to freaking make money. I just hate spending bread, bro. Just to get some freaking content in, you gotta spend bread. That's how it is though, bro. Alright, y'all, so now we're in the country. Damn, my windshield dirty. Hold up. I hope this don't freeze up. Thank God. But yeah, we're in the country. I'm surprised that these roads is clear. Like, they not immaculate, but these joints is clear, man. I'm thinking out here these roads is gonna be crazy. But nah, they out here right now. They go one of them. The city is out here. They making sure these roads decent. On what? They were going 55. Like it ain't a snowstorm. But nah, though, that snowstorm hit me, man. Y'all was in my comments last video. Cause my engine light had came on, bro. I got scared, I ain't gonna lie to you, but I was just saying that it's normal, bro. When you jump start your car, because I parked my car outside, bro. Man. Then that snowstorm hit, bro. It was over with. Bro. I had to jump start my car, my engine light came on. I was like, man, I'm finna take this joint to Dodge. Whole time, it just went right off. That's just normal though. Look at this road, man. This is like a movie. Think a car coming up. That's the first car that was coming this way, bro. Like a police joint. No, that ain't the police. That's definitely a little Explorer though. I be on them, man. I be on them, shorty. Look though, bro, this look like a freaking scary roller coaster. These little ass cribs. Bro, it probably look bright up in y'all eyes. Up in my eyes, this shit look scary, shorty. Look like a deer or something finna pop out. Freddy Krueger, whatever folks' name is. But nah, this probably like the tent too that's making it even darker. Go, my good sir. It's my turn anyway. Hey, let me know in the comments if y'all could live up in one of these cribs in the middle of nowhere. It ain't even no lights over here, man. Where the lights at? Let me know if y'all could live over here. I like stuff that's like secluded like this, but not like this, man. At least put some street lights on. I don't know. What if my dog run out? Fine, go find shorty. See, look at them cribs. Them look like some new houses. But those type of cribs, you just gotta buy that lot and then build on top of it type shit. Hatch Lake. this road clear. As soon as I said that, a little bit of slush. Mother. Stop sign. So you know we got a downshift. Too aggressive, they both. Too aggressive. Yeah, though, y'all, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it wasn't what I thought it was. I thought I was gonna have to cut up, but she literally already hit, so I literally had to head this way. I couldn't even cut up for y'all young boys, but there will be more videos to come, so make sure that y'all boys tune in. I know I'm black, so I had to turn on this light, shorty. Y'all don't know how I'm looking, but make sure that y'all tune in to the next videos and to my previous videos, man, because I got a lot of stuff up there. I got probably like 500 some videos up right now. That's including shorts. Regular videos, I probably got like 150 to 200, so I've been dropping for y'all boys. And that's really up in 1 year, man. I dropped like 500 videos in 1 year, like 520 videos in 1 year. Oh, I'm tripping. But luckily my freaking girl was there. I was gonna drive past this joint. Yeah, man, just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.